Can they save the food?
You guys, I have a question for you. Have you ever caught your dog sneaking food from your counter or table?
I have, and it's honestly the worst. But what if I told you that my cats have taken matters into their own paws?
They're on a mission to save our snacks from those sneaky dogs. Dogs just can't resist the temptation of food, can they? They're always sniffing around.
Trying to get their paws on whatever tasty treat they can find.
And if you're not careful, they'll snatch it right from under your nose. Or, in this case, from under your cat's nose.
My cats are super protective of their food, and I love it. They'll do whatever it takes to keep those dogs from getting their paws on it.
I've even caught them hiding their snacks in weird places, just to keep them safe. It's honestly the funniest thing.
But the thing is, dogs just don't get it.
They think they can just waltz in and steal food from right under the cat's nose. Newsflash, Kai, it's not going to work. At least, not if my cats have anything to say about it.
I've been documenting some of the most epic battles between my cats and dogs over food, and I have to say it's been pretty... Target acquired. From cats doing crazy acrobatics to dogs getting completely shut down, it's been a wild ride. We need a diversion. We need a diversion. One time, I caught my cat, Luna, using a whole arsenal of tactics to protect her snack from the dog.
She was using her agility, her cunning,
and even her cute kitty eyes to keep the dog at bay. It was honestly impressive.
dog was trying to sneak up on her, but Luna was one step ahead. She batted at the dog's nose. Hissed loudly.
And even did a little hop to get away.
The dog was totally shut down. These cats are seriously the best.
I mean, who needs a security system when you have a cat protecting your snacks?
They're like little furry ninjas, sneaking around and taking down any dog that gets in their way.
Thanks for watching, guys!
If you've got a pet story about a clever cat or a sneaky dog, be sure to comment below. And if you want to see more fun animal videos, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Join me as I challenge my cats to protect our snacks from the sneaky dog. Can they save the food? See you in the next video!